Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make fresh coconut milk at home. Coconut milk is simply delicious, nutritious and tasty. Enjoy. Here comes the coconut water. You can drink the water immediately or you can add it to the water you blend the coconut with. The coconut water is very nice and it tastes super good as well. We are just removing or we're just breaking the coconut, after which we're going to unshell it. We're going to remove the shells of the coconut from the meat. That's the meat of the coconut. So now I'm going to unshell the coconut, remove it from the shell. Meanwhile, please make sure you make use of a blunt knife. Don't use a very sharp knife because it might just get a cut or it might even puncture your fingers. So make use of a blunt knife. As you can see, I made use of a bread knife here. So I'll continue the process of unshelling the coconut or separating the coconut meat from the shells. After that, I'm going to rinse the coconut and it will be time to show you how to get a clean coconut flour. So the coconut has been rinsed. To get a clean, clear, white coconut flour, the trick is to peel off the outer coat of the coconut. That is this dark part. As you can see, I'm just removing it lightly. You don't need to cut deep into the coconut meat. So just get rid of it if you want a white coconut flour. But if you don't mind having a darker coconut flour, you can just let it be. So after going through the process of removing the outer part of the coconut, which is the dark part, the outer part of the coconut does not go to waste. Okay, you can mix it with your granola for your parfait, or you can use it for coconut candy. So it's equally very delicious. So I'm just cutting the coconut into smaller pieces or smaller chunk. This is the stress of the blender. It makes it faster and blend it smoother. So I'm going to store this for my next coconut candy batch. Please have hot water on a standby because you'll be using hot water to blend these coconuts. It makes the coconut release more milk. This is the water we got from the coconuts. That's the coconut water. So I'm adding a hot water, not boiling hot, but hot water into the coconut. You can see where the quantity of the water is. Don't add too much water. Just add enough water to rotate the blade of your blender very well. Aside from that, you are good to go. So after blending, I'm going to pour it into this nuts bag. And I'm going to squeeze out all the coconut juice or coconut milk. And that's just it. Voila! Your coconut milk is ready. So, how is it going? Hope everybody's fine. This country is stressful, but we go survive like this. We don't even survive finish. It's good. It's all good. Squeeze and squeeze until all the milk is out of the chaff of the coconut. What am I even saying? Okay, so just squeeze out all the milk from the coconut, and you have your coconut flour, you have your coconut milk. I just want to show you the coconut flour before we proceed in pouring the milk into the bottles. Look at how white it is. So this is the advantage of removing the outer parts of the darker parts of the coconut. So we have our clear white coconut flour. You can see the milk is very thick. If you want a thick coconut milk, add less water when blending the coconut. If you want a very liquidy coconut milk, add more water when blending. So we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share this video, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Please take care of yourself and be safe, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.